In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post YouTube videos on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and in here first of all, we need to copy video's URL we would like to post on Instagram. To do that, tap at three dots, tap at share, and then select copy link. What that will do, that will copy the link to the particular video to the clipboard. After that, we can close YouTube and open up Instagram. The easiest way to share our YouTube video to Instagram is to share it on Instagram story. To do that, we just need to swipe to the right to activate story creating mode, and then all we have to do is just add some picture from our camera roll. I'm just gonna choose that one. Once you've done that, tap right here at this stickers icon, then select link, and then just paste the URL you have just copied. After that, if we tap at done, it will create that URL sticker over the photo, and we can position it somewhere on our story. After that, let me share it just with my close friends, and then if someone opens up that story and tap at that sticker, they will be taken to the video. That's how you can easily post YouTube videos on Instagram.